Hey guys, T2 out here. Welcome back to the Time Preparedness channel. Today's video, we're going to do an EDC loadout. I don't know how I've had this channel for almost 2 years and have yet to do an EDC loadout. I don't know. I don't know if you're a prepping channel if you haven't done an EDC loadout. So I guess, take my prepping aspects away. So this video is due to Survival Savage calling me out. He said, hey man, you need to do an EDC. You haven't done one. You should probably do one. Okay. I need to do one. So here we are, EDC. Now my EDC is broken up into a couple of categories. I have what I carry with me when I'm at work, what I carry with me when I'm off. So because of my job, I can't carry some of the things that I would carry on me in that facility. So therefore, it stays in the car. But EDC, what's in my pockets? First and foremost is my phone, which I'm using to record, obviously. Nowadays it's odd not to have a phone, so carry my phone every single day. On my phone, I have this case. The case has some of my cards. So I've got my license, my wallet, my license, my military ID, debit card, credit card, whatever. I got 4 or 5 cards in here. Inside of the case, I'll keep $100 cash. I'll keep a $50 cash. It just depends on what I'm doing that day. If I'm just going to work, I might slip a 10 in here, just because I know, okay, I'm just gonna need the vending machine. I'm not gonna need that much. However, if I'm traveling, I might put $20 in here and put another $50 to $80 in my pocket. That way, in case somebody robs me, I still have cash. I'm not gonna go digging through all of my pockets just for you to find an extra 20 bucks. Chances are, I'll take my phone, I'll hand it to them, I'll throw it at them, whatever. They can have it. I can cancel the cards before they even get a mile down the road. So at least I'll have cash on me. If I'm traveling, somewhere around 100 bucks, maybe $200 between my car and my person. If I'm just going back and forth to work, I might keep $10 to $20 on me. Number 2, whether you want to believe it's a farce, whether you want to believe that whatever the case is with this situational virus that's going on, I have to wear a mask. I have to wear a mask at work. There's a lot of people that say, oh, I'd never wear a mask. Okay, well, you're working at McDonald's, so who cares? I've got a pretty good paying job. I got a family to support, so I have to wear a mask because they tell me to. They tell me I have to wear this uniform. A mask is part of it. So I keep a mask on me. Up next, S2R Baton 2. This is a great EDC flashlight. I think it's a great, perfect size to have in your pocket. I tried the S1, wasn't a fan. The S2, big, bulky, but not overbearing. Maximum lumens is like 1150. Magnetic tail cap. So, magnetic tail cap, pocket clip, a nice deep pocket clip. It's a good flashlight. I just wish it had a tail cap. Up next, Civivi folding knife. My buddies at New Age Tactical did a review on this, and I said, well, I need a better knife. So, Civivi little pocket folding knife, not bad. And I carry a pen. Always have a pen on me. I hate using other people's pens, and I have specialty pens because of the way I write. Also, always have a belt on me. Whether my pants need it or not, always carry a belt, period. Yeah, you can make shift a tourniquet, you can pull somebody, you can do whatever you need to do by having a belt. My keys. I have a handcuff key. Don't ask why. I won't tell you why. Another little flashlight. This is the i3 EOS from NowLight. And attached is an actual climbing carabiner. I've seen those little cheap carabiners from Walmart. Don't waste your time. Get you a real carabiner. This has a maximum load of 350 pounds. I have drug people around. I have drug equipment around. I have drug cars out of places. I have drug people out of places. I have grabbed onto bags or things that have been dropped because I had a real carabiner on me that could actually haul the weight. That is what I carry all the time in my pockets, whether I'm at work or not. Now, at my job, we carry bags like this. So this is my work bag. This bag stays in the car 100% of the time. Things don't go in this bag, like firearms, ammunition, because I don't want to get fired. So this bag is like a little EDC kit of its own. In my top, I have all different kinds of medications. I have all medications. I've got ibuprofen, I've got Tylenol, I've got baby aspirin, I've got things that'll make you stop, things that'll make you go, things that will get rid of your tummy aches. I've got antacids, I've got Peptos, you name it, it's probably in there. I also carry like hydration tablets because, you know, water sucks. So, Noom, Drip Drop, all that is always in my bag. I also keep a cell phone charger in my bag. Now I have the phone charging cords in here as well for if there's power. But I've worked there long enough to know that the power goes out more often than it should. Have a way to charge your phones. This is the DamiPal solar charger that I've done a review on. Again, it has built-in charging cords. It is a slower charge than what I'm used to, but at least with this is all I need. I don't have to carry around the extra cords, even though they're in my bag. If we lose power, I just pull this cord. I pull this cord, I plug it in my phone, I set them on the table, and then I deal with it. It also has a flashlight, so always a good thing to have. Now, let's say I'm not at work, which is very, very rarely. Pistol. I carry a pistol with me all the time. Every vehicle that I am in, it is cleared, by the way. It is cleared. So, I carry a pistol with me. Whether that is this 9mm, whether that is a 45, it doesn't matter. I will carry a pistol and a backup magazine in my vehicle. I do have a CWP, so if I'm not going to work, I will have the CWP on me. If I am going to work, I don't even put it on me in the morning times. I'd rather be robbed than forget about it and lose my job, even though I kind of hate my job. But always have a pistol, always have spare mags. EDC, for a get home bag situation, a pistol is so much better than any rifle. This I can have on me, no one needs to know I have it. I can put it in a pocket, I can put it on my person, I can walk town, no one's gonna know. I have it when I need it, but I'm not displaying a huge rifle walking down the streets of Madonia. So, along with all of this stuff, I also carry my get home bag. If we take my wife's vehicle instead of my vehicle, my get home bag swaps vehicles. My get home bag and my pistol will always swap vehicles. Y'all have seen the get home gear. Y'all have seen what's in the get home bag. Y'all have seen me test it. I know I have water. I know I have a way to filter water. I know I have a way to start a fire. I know I have a way to stay warm. And I have protection with every vehicle that I get in. So that is my EDC. Let me know some things y'all add, some things y'all would subtract. Again, due to where I work, depends on what I can and can't carry. I can't walk around with a 200-piece EDC kit. I think that's just stupid. I think people, just like their vehicle kits, just like their bug out bags, they want to showcase all of the stuff that they don't carry or they don't use. Chances are, if you show someone with a 200, 300-piece EDC kit, they don't carry that crap. They're just showing it off for camera. So, my personal opinions, my personal thoughts, if you have a 200-piece EDC kit, I mean, put it down in the description below. Let me know, why you carry 12 pockets worth of stuff. It's whatever. I don't care. But, again, very basic EDC kit. The only thing I forgot was my lighter. I do have a lighter in my pocket at all times, except for now. So, yeah, it's in the house. So, always carry a lighter, a knife, and a flashlight. Period. That way I can start a fire, I can see my way out of somewhere, and I can cut my way out if I need to. Those 3 items are always in my pockets. Let me know what you guys think, and thanks for you subscriber that told me, hey, I need to do one. So, yeah, I appreciate that. I don't know how I haven't done one already. Alright guys, that's all I got for today. Again, yeah, let me know what you can carry. Alright guys, T2 out.